All right, KB, welcome back. Today, we are not just learning words. We are going to play a game. I call it the pointing game, because that is all subject pronouns really are. They are just arrows made of sound that point to people. If you do not have these arrows, you can't tell me who is doing the action. The verb is just floating there, useless. And we hate useless verbs. So, imagine we are standing in a room, just you and me.
Let's start with the most important person in the world. You. Or in this case, me. When you point your thumb at your own chest, you say, je. Je. It is soft. It is not J like the letter J. It's softer, like the middle of the word pleasure. Je. That is the first person, the speaker. Now look at me. You are talking to me. You point your finger right at me. You say, tu. Tu. Make your lips tight, KB, like you are trying to whistle. Tu. This is you.
But, and this is very important, this is the you used for a friend, a buddy, someone you are close to. We call this the informal you. Keep that in mind, because French people take this social distance very seriously. Now, suppose I am boring you. It happens. So you look away. You point at a guy standing in the corner. You are talking about him. He is il. Il. Sounds just like eel. And next to him, there is a girl. You point at her. She is Elle, like the name Elle or the sound in bell. So the singular arrows are je, tu, il, and elle. Simple, right? But wait, I told you there was a catch with tu. Imagine the president walks into the room, or maybe your strict boss. Are you going to give them a high five and say tu? I certainly hope not. When there is a barrier of respect or age, or you just don't know the person, you cannot use the casual finger point. You have to step back. You use the formal word vous. Vous. Now, usually vous means a group of people, like you guys. But in French, we treat a stranger or an elder as if they are a plurality of importance. It is a sign of respect. So, to your dog, you say tu. To your teacher, you say vous. Let's see this in a tiny scene. Picture two students, Paul and Marie. They know each other well. Paul points to himself. Moi, je suis Paul. Me, I am Paul.
He points to Marie. Toi, tu es Marie. You are Marie. Then he points to a boy across the street. Louis, il est Marc. Him, he is Marc. See? The arrows are flying. Je, tu, il. Now, look at this table. Burn this into your brain, KB. This is the foundation of everything.
First person, I. Second person, you, friend. Second person, you, formal. Third person, the outsider, male. Third person, the outsider, female. Let's try a quick check. I want you to think of the answer before I say it. If you are talking to your best friend, which you do you use? Tu. Correct, because there is no barrier. If you are talking about your mother, what word do you use?
Elle, because she is a she. If you are talking to a police officer you just met, vous. Keep it polite, keep it safe. And finally, if you are talking about yourself, je. That is it. You have the arrows. In the next session, we are going to learn how to point at groups of people. But for now, just practice pointing. Je, tu, il, elle.